Welcome guys to this tutorial. In this video I will be talking about Revolut app and how you can earn money with the app. Recently I found out that there is crypto learn and earn opportunity in the Revolut app. So you can see here is the official page by Revolut. How does crypto learn and earn work? Crypto Learn and Earn gives you the opportunity to learn about a specific cryptocurrency and familiarize with the world of crypto by completing lessons consisting of videos or cards and answering questions designed to test your knowledge and understanding. Once completing a lesson, you may receive a small amount of cryptocurrency as a reward. And you can see that there are different programs. So you can check the app which programs are available, and you will be able to see what kind of rewards you may be able to find. So let me demonstrate. If I go to my mobile phone, you can see that I have already logged in into my Revolut app. And if you scroll to crypto, you can see the amount of crypto I have. And if you scroll down, there is learn. Press see all, and you can see that I have completed crypto basics, earned 4 euros in DOT, and also Polkadot earned 10 euros in DOT. However, I have not earned anything in this 1 inch, and I can earn up to €1.50, and you can press here and you can see that there are 3 lessons. Each one will give 50 euro cents. So I hope that this quick tutorial has been helpful. Please remember to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and have a great day.